welcome back here. So we are making some quinoa risotto. Instead of using the rice risotto, we're gonna use quinoa instead, and we're gonna mix it with baby Bella, and then instead of water, we're gonna use chicken broth. So I'm gonna use 2 cups of quinoa, or maybe 4 cups of water. Quinoa is a hard grain, but we're gonna give it time to cook, really boil, and make sure that it's fully cooked. So this is where I get my quinoa from, Costco, or you can get it from wherever, and it's very high in protein. So instead of rice, I am trying to use more quinoa or grains that are kind of nutritious for you. So this one is going in the stove, on top of the stove. It doesn't have lots of issues. So I'm gonna start off with 4 cups of bone broth. The quinoa is kind of gonna swell up. So it's basically a whole box, but this is 4 cups. I just have a little bit left, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add it. So my quinoa is like fully cooked. See, that's quinoa, very small grain. This is good to go. So in the meantime, while that is boiling, I'll go ahead and cut up my baby Bellas, wash them up really good, and then hopefully by that time this will be ready. So if it won't be cooked by the broth, we'll just add some water. I'm using cold water to clean, and my daughter is here making a fruit salad. She started it off, and I hijacked the faucet so I can clean this. See, these mushrooms are very fresh. I just got them from the store yesterday. Make sure you remove all the dust. It looks like some sticky mud. So I prefer these big mushrooms because it's easier to clean than the smaller ones. So this is better. Olive oil. Cutting up our onions while we are waiting for the mushroom to cook. I'm just gonna cut lots of onions because I'm gonna be using them for other foods. I'm gonna try this chicken cubes. Gonna toast our quinoa a little bit. So we did not make the quinoa with oil, so we're gonna just toast it a little bit to give it some texture. You can choose to add lemon or lime zest. For me, I'm not adding the zest. Gonna be eaten like that. That's our food. Ready to be served. Done.